Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, March 29th, 2016. Well, folks, Janet Yellen came out with some positive dovish comments today. She spoke in New York City to a big group of people, and ultimately we saw the markets ripping higher on her comments. Now, this was very interesting because going into the meeting, there was a lot of kind of unsure thought process on what she was going to say because, the Fed meeting a couple weeks ago, she was ridiculously dovish. But then last week, there were 4 Fed presidents that came out which were hawkish. So the question was, is there dissent or is there infighting? What's she going to say today? Is she going to backtrack on her dovish statements? Ultimately, the answer was she did not backtrack at all. She stuck with it. Markets loved it. Surging higher, consolidation surging higher. Notice the pivot we got into right here. This is actually a very important pivot. If I zoom out on the chart, take a look. Double top, pivot high to pivot high from last week and the prior week. This is very, very important. Okay? All right, so we'll see again how that all plays out and ultimately what goes on. But the markets are into resistance here. Doesn't mean they can't break above it, but this is a very pivotal, very, very pivotal level on the SPY or the S&P 500. If we flip over to the daily SPY chart, here it is. You can see again we retraced after going up ridiculously here into the 200 moving average, and now we're trying to break out. And look at this. This is what I was just showing you guys on the other chart. Pivot high, and that's where we are right now. If the market breaks through this, I will tell you right now where we are going. All right, take the all-time high on the spider, zoom out on your chart, see the high here, connect the high all the way down, and that's your next target. So again, if we break through, your next target is going to be approximately 209 on the SPY. Okay, I repeat, 209 as your next target. All right, I just wanted to give you guys a good little update here on the S&P 500. As again, Janet Yellen's comments, very dovish market rejoicing, surging up into double top. You can see we're pulling back off the double top just a shade, but still a really nice move. Don't forget, jobs numbers and inflation data this week will be very, very important. All right, guys, take care. Thanks as always. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.